Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Right now I am standing in a new house that we are currently building, and today I'm going to break down some things that we are budgeting for this house. You can hear my daughter a little bit in the background, but some things that we are budgeting for our house currently, and just give you kind of a brief tour. But we're super excited, super pumped for this big milestone in our life, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and step right in here. This is the front entry to our house, and if you want to point the camera over here to our little dining room, this is gonna be our little dining room. You can see our garage, haven't walled it off yet. But just to give a little bit of a breakdown, so our closing costs are gonna be around $7,000 to $8,000, which isn't too terrible, not too bad. Go ahead and keep coming on in here. This will be our kitchen, and our living room and our table will be right here. We are today going to be going to probably like Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff. We're going to be looking at costs for a fridge and a washer and dryer. We're budgeting about $2,500 total for that. So probably $1,200 for a fridge and about $1,300 for a washer and dryer. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and keep coming this way. So yeah, about $2,500 for all of that stuff. And then one thing you do have to take into account, we just went and asked the people who are kind of in charge of building these homes and doing all of that, but we don't really have to pay for lights except for the light here in the living room. If we want a light here in the living room, we'd have to pay for that. And also if we wanted a nicer light in our bedroom, we would have to pay for that. So not too much of an expense there as far as lighting goes. Yeah, and then as far as flooring goes, it comes with tile in the kitchen area and then in the bathrooms and in the laundry room. But we opted for getting LVP. We're really excited about that. We're gonna get LVP all throughout the front entryway and the kitchen, and then coming into the living room and in the areas between the bedrooms and the laundry room. And so that all together for getting that flooring to LVP was almost $10,000. So that's a big expense, but we're excited for that. And then along with the flooring, we also have to get blinds, which is a huge thing. So blinds will probably cost us around $1,000. We'll just install them ourselves to save some money. So super excited. And we'll also get curtains too in some of the areas. Are we thinking about getting curtains like right here, Riley? Yeah, so most of the main windows, like we'll get curtains right here. We'll probably get some curtains over the back door here. Anyway, but go ahead and come on over this way. We just have a little closet right here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, about 1,600 square feet on like a 6,000 square foot lot. So here's the first bathroom, and then these are just the 2 bedrooms right here. Excited. And then coming back this way, this will be the master bedroom. And gotta decide where we want to put our bed, you know. And then a shower and a bath with a big window, and our closet and toilet area, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look in the backyard. Yeah, so one thing we are really excited about is that this whole area, felt like a spider web there. This whole area is covered, which we're excited. We'll put our grill over here. You could put like a swing or some chairs. And then we have a nice rock wall with a tall fence. And so where we live, backyards are traditionally pretty small. It's hard, like you're gonna be paying millions if you want a bigger backyard. But we're actually pretty happy with this size of backyard. You can kind of pan around. And then over here, our backyard does go all the way over to this stick over here. So it's a pretty good space that we're excited about. And one thing that is interesting is they don't put gutters in. So if we wanted gutters, it doesn't rain a lot where we're at, but if we wanted gutters, we would have to pay for that. And then also as well, so they do put landscaping in the front. It's 0 landscaping, so no grass or anything, but there will be rocks and bushes and trees. And they will put a fence in for us as well. And then eventually we'll put in grass back here. We have to do that ourselves. So yeah, that's basically our house. We're super excited. It's gonna take a lot of budgeting, like I said. And those are kind of the numbers of all the closing costs and the extra things. And there will be some miscellaneous items as well, as far as like you know, getting a new rug in the living room, you know, little things like that won't be tons of money, but it all adds up. So anyways, thanks for joining us on today's video, and we'll see you on the next time with the Budget Dad.